All right, y'all, welcome back to another Powerstroke Rick YouTube video. As always, like a sore dick can't beat it, hit that subscribe button. We are in the shop. We got old Blue Jean and Peaches. We out here chilling, and today we're gonna talk sort of kind of on engine-related modifications for your 6.7 Powerstroke, 11 to 24, primarily oil-related. So we're doing an oil change today in the shop, and we have the 5W40 full synthetic Diamond Fleet Hot Shot Secret oil with the 1R 1807 filter, right? So a lot of guys, I know this is a big topic and it's in all the forums and the groups, and what oil do I want run? What oil do I run? SP Motorsport always has you covered, guys. Like a sore Johnson, can't beat it. So we're gonna talk today a little bit on, hey, I go buy my first Powerstroke, what are some mods I wanna do? Because I've had some guys recently reach out to me, they said, hey, I bought my first truck, I want to run this oil. I want to run this filter. What do I need to do to run this filter? Oil is just, putting it in. You can run any oil that your little heart desires. But today, me and Peaches, we're going to kind of highlight to you on what are some maybe I wouldn't even say top 5 mods. I would say a few mods for your engine oil related modification for this 6.7 Powerstroke platform and what you could do. I don't even know. I'm just spitballing at this point, but we're going to show you a few things that I've done to run like this, and I believe that you will not regret it. So as always, hit that subscribe button. We're going to do some talking, some chit-chatting, you know what I'm saying, up in this Joan. Welcome back to the Powerstroke Rick YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You already know it's like a sore dick, can't beat it. All right, guys, so let's talk modifications for your 6.7 Powerstroke, oil engine base related from SPE Motorsport. My fam, shout out to them. It's like a sore dick, can't beat it. This is a different topic right here. This is Garvey. I'm doing another video on 20-gallon oil drain that they sent me, so shout out to them. But anyway, guys, here's the deal. So you buy your Powerstroke, 5W40 Hot Shots is what I suggest for you to run. Now, this is just my opinion. Opinions do not matter, So I got some Motorcraft up here. I was a big Motorcraft guy. I've ran a lot of 10W30 Motorcraft, but being in Ohio, I try to run a little bit of a thicker oil, 5W40, which is the Hot Shot Secret. So obviously increased efficiency, superior protection. The blended friction reducing agents provide an unmatched level of technology that enhances performance, increases fuel economy, and that is proven to provide up to 78% less oil consumption than the specification during the Cat 1N test. Buy with 100% insurance. So I'm not going to talk too much on this stuff, guys, but this is what, as of late, I've been running. I've been a big Hot Shot guy now. It's high-quality oil. I'm not going to dive into why so much, but if you want to do your research, this is how we are operating. Cat 1R 1807 filter. You guys want to run one of these, right? How do you do that? So you head on over to SPE Motorsport, and you get the oil filter kit. So up in yonder, you guys have seen all my videos. It's a billet aluminum bolt-on oil filter housing. You're getting rid of the OEM factory one. You're bolting this one up. You're slapping a Cat 1R 1807 on it. Now, you don't have to run this big of a filter. A lot of guys say, hey, you're going to hit rocks and this and that and blah, 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 brother. I don't like it. They also make another Cat filter. Comes out to about yay big. I forget what it's called, the part number on it, but this is all on SPE's website. So, yes, there's no internal bypass valve, oil bypass valve in here. But I've been in Ohio. I run these things 0 degrees a bunch of times. Never had an issue. Cat filters they're known for what they are, good filtration. So, Cat filter, I'm suggesting you do that. SPE deep oil filter pan, along with their drain plug. So, way far superior over stock because, one, you're an O-ring seal now. You can drop it real easily. You don't got to clean no RTV up. The way that Dan designed the pan, the way it's shaped, all of the oil, it V's down and it drains all out directly out of the bottom. So you're not getting no oil left over, slippage sitting in there. I don't think slippage is the right word, but anyway, what I'm saying, my opinion, my suggestion, SPE deep oil pan, oil filter housing with the Cat 1R1807, drain plug, and Hot Shot Secret oil. This is my topic of the day. So I'm also going to show you something else cool. Me and Peaches, look at her over there. Look over there, John, over that thing. What's up with that thing, Peaches? She don't even know. Another thing, your oil cap. Now, y'all ain't gonna find one like this. Shout out to Diesel Dan. Like a sore dick, can't beat it. SPE, custom made for me. Now, you might be able to email SPE. They might do one for you. They might do it up for you. But yeah, guys, this is just my little suggestion right here of some modifications for when you buy a 6.7 Powerstroke. Oil related, I'd buy the truck. I'd do the deep oil pan. I'd do the drain plug. I'd do the oil cap. And then I would run some Hot Shot Secret as well as 1R1807 cat filter. Just my opinion. My opinion does not matter because, you know, can't beat it like a sore dick. You guys already know. So, yeah, we're going to do an oil change on this John real quick. I'm not really going to show that because, you know, I think I've done a video on that. That was actually my first YouTube video like 3 years ago. I was doing a oil change on this truck or my black one. I forget which one it was. But anyway, that's all I want to say. Like, comment, subscribe. Deuces. I'm out here walking the dog, guys. Walking the dog, baby. Slide this John right under there. Now, I know what you guys are going to say. It's a big lifted truck, blah, 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 blah. But it's still nice. You can slide it in and out. We're going to show you dropping some fluid. All right, guys. So we got some oil draining. We're going to pre-fill the oil filter. Do you guys partake in activities like this? So this John, this 1R1807, dude, I think it holds about 1.5 quarts of oil. I ain't even gonna lockjaw you there. Let's get some finger oil here. I'm gonna have to get some better shit. Check it out. We'll go like this. Get some on here. Always lubricate the O-ring. You don't want this John stuck on there. But some guys pre-fill them, some guys don't. I like to pre-fill them. So factory on my 2015, you're running about 13 quarts, maybe a little bit over. Now I'm a little over 16.5 quarts between this filter and the pan itself. So Hot Shots 4-quart jugs, what we're rocking with here. 4 quarts in a gallon, guys. Get you some education there, you know? Because I don't know much, but it's honest work. And honestly, guys, there ain't much to this video. I mean, I told you guys some SPE upgrades. I'm not really talking too much, going into detail, but Dan's been hammering out the videos on their YouTube channel currently. So if you guys have any questions, go over there. And the dude has a way with his words. He's very intelligent, and he's very good at saying stuff that I'm not. So that's my boy right there. That's Papa Dan. Also, you guys buy anything on the website? Who helped you with your order? Drop down Powerstroke Rick, man. Like a sore Johnson, can't beat it. See if she's steady. Ooh. Ooh. Nice. Bloop, bloop. We're about happy with that. What do you think, Peaches? You happy with that? I'm feeling pretty happy with that. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So, we're throwing her in, guys. 5W40 Hot Shots. It even smells better, man. It just smells like some groovy oil, I'm not going to lie. So, with the pan and the filter, I always pre-fill the filter like you saw me. Purring like a kitten, baby. Aftermath right there, baby. Change is complete. Don't forget your new SPE sticker we threw on up there. Don't look at them dates and the miles now, honey. You know what I'm saying? Very cool. Like a sore Johnson. Can't beat it. Go over to SP Motorsport. Tell them that Rick sent you. Buy some 5W40 Hot Shot Secret oil. Get a cat filter. Get a deep oil pan. Buy it all, guys. Why not? You only got one life. Live it. You know what I'm saying? As always, hit that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the flippity flop. Deuces.